The traditions of SPASS und GEMUTLICHKEIT came with the German immigrants to the Texas frontier in 1845. From the time of their arrival, settlers had to rely on their own skills and ingenuity to provide the necessities of life. Food, drink, and entertainment had to be homegrown, homebrewed, and of course, homemade. Krause's Cafe was established on this site in the 1940s as a place of gathering around the Stammtisch to discuss topics of the day, current politics, to gossip. This tradition is still enjoyed today. Sausage making was a way of preserving venison, beef, and pork, which was a vital staple in everyday life. Every family had their special recipes, and generations still continue these treasured formulas. Native Mustang grapes and Agarita berries were the source of jelly and wine making. Homebrewing beer was an important practice. Bread making and dessert making were part of the daily routine. Special occasions such as birthdays, Christmas, Easter, and informal coffee klatsch called Verkuchen, Stollen, Strudel, and Platschen. Weihnachten baking preparation started weeks ahead and included cookies such as Mandelkratz, Lebkuchen, Zimstern, and Springerle. These early Germans used their inventiveness in a new land to carry on traditions from the old country. In New Braunfels, you'll find many of these customs still present today. The great men of New Braunfels history sitting at the Stammtisch are Hermann Seely, Nicholas Zink, Karl Iwaschke, Reverend L.C. Urbanberg, John Moisebach, David Karbach, Dr. Theodore Castor, John Torrey, W.H. Merriweather, John von Kahl, and Joseph Landa.